Hello, people. My name is John Michael. Yeah, I'm very happy to be part of the student of the Forex Beginners Academy family. I'm very happy to be part of this family. Actually, one day I was, you know, just checking out some things on Facebook. So I just stumbled on a post one guy just made on Facebook. So I decided to follow the post. So he posted something about Forex Beginners Academy. So I decided to follow up the post because actually I love Forex and I want to be a good Forex trader. So I find out the link to the website. So I was able to catch up with the link to the website. So I start going through the website. I saw some videos made by Mr. Sad, and I was like, wow, this is a very good opportunity to catch up with what I want to achieve. So I started following up the training, and this training has been very helpful. I'm sincerely saying nothing but the truth. It's very, in fact, it's absolutely excellent. Because I've learned so many things, parallel channels and, the Fibonacci retracement, the exponential moving average, or how to use the time frame correlation, all those things. I never knew all those things because actually I want to make money as a forex trader. So one thing Mr. Sa said that really, made me to sit down and study this thing is he said that it's not all about pushing buttons with your phones, waiting for signals, praying for signals. And actually I was like waiting, looking for fast money. So I was always looking for way to get signals and forex signals and all of that. So he said that when you are, go out for signal, do you really feel like, you are controlling your life, you are fulfilled with what you want to accomplish in life? And I was like, I was like, wow, he's making sense, So I had to sit down and study, follow the lesson right from lesson one to lesson, because currently right now I'm in lesson 23. So I'm very happy making this video review, and I want to use this media to also encourage others to join this family. Yeah, the website is forexbeginnersacademy.com. So you can check, you can also check it in your web browser. You'll be able to find the platform. So just join. If you want to be a good forex trader, you can use this medium, to acquire a lot of knowledge about forex. I want to say a very big thank you to Mr. Saad Ali, and my special thanks also goes to Mr. Michael Monday. He's always there online. Anytime we post our chats, he's always there to check what we are doing. He's always there to give us feedback. So I'm very happy making this video review, and I believe this is going to go a very long way, to change other people's life. Thank you very much, and God bless you.